Alright everybody, how are we today? Steve Mingleco, Final Web Design, and today I got a quick tutorial on one of WordPress' most popular plugins that has been downloaded over I think 20 million times, which is the NextGEN Gallarie image gallery plugin. Basically, this is just a really great way to display different information or images on some kind of visual display within your website. So I'm going to basically just quickly show you how to install it, and then I'm going to show you how to set it up, and then I'm going to show you how to set it on your page. So starting off here, I'm just at WordPress.org, the plugins, just taking an overall look at this. It's got a lot of great reviews, installation, information, support, and development. So basically, the first thing you're going to want to do is go to your WordPress dashboard, and under plugins, go to add new. I'm sure this is very familiar if you've installed other plugins. It's kind of the same process for everything. Then just go here and go to NextGEN Gallarie, or you could just type image gallery if you want. It'll pull it up too. It's probably one of the first ones. So as you can see here, it's almost 4,000 reviews. We can install it here. Basically, you just go to install now and then activate. Once it's done all that, it'll pull it all from the server itself. You don't have to do anything manually. Go over here to NextGEN Gallarie, and we'll just click on the overview real quick, because this is basically where you can just get a quick overview of all the different features of it. It has a few little tutorials. I actually recommend you watch this. It's only a minute or two, and it goes into pretty good depth as far as how to work with the NextGEN image gallery. And basically, I'm just showing you the basic version. I don't have the pro version installed. There are a lot of cool features like different themes and stuff you can do with the pro version. However, in this video, I just have the basic version installed. And here it talks about the themes and the other features that you can get. So basically, let's go to add gallery and images. And this is where you'll be doing a majority of the functionality within the NextGEN Gallarie. So what you're going to do here is either go to a gallery that you've already set up, and this is kind of a morbid website. It's a client site. It's just what I'm currently working on, and it has to do with like gravestones and things like that. But create your category. If you don't have it already created, you can go here and just create a new one. So we'll just go to new. We don't need to really make this one online. I can always delete it later. And we'll go to create and select. So what that's basically doing right now is it's creating this new gallery. So I can go back here to the create, but at this time I want to go to the new. And basically we're just going to upload the images. So let's go to Miami Monument Company, and we'll go to granite marker. Oh, not a lot in there. So we'll go back, we'll go to bronze markers, and we'll just upload these. Basically, this should get us started. I gotta move this quick. And it's loading all of these images right now. Now, what it's gonna say is, do you want to upload these into which gallery? So right now, we still have it on new. I can always still change this if I wanted to, but I'll go to upload files. Basically, it's taking all of those images now and putting them into this new gallery. From here, it's really nothing more, and this will get you to where you need to be. So if I go back to new, it's showing me that I can still add more images and such. However, this will really get you to where you need to be, because as you can see, all you basically do is go to the page that you're working on. So in this case, we'll go bronze. And I'm actually going to show you on the front end. So we have the grave markers in bronze. And if I go here, I just edit, and then I go into the Elementor or the block themes and just install it right from there. So let's give it a moment while it loads. Of course, with all these block images, it gets a little heavier. And I'm still going to walk through the manage galleries, albums, tags, and some of the settings, but I'm going to go try to be kind of quick with this. So as you see here, we just have our grave markers in bronze. I've gone up and added the block marker. With this, you can just add a new one and add a NextGEN Gallarie. So that's basically what we've done here. I can go in and edit this, and what you'll see here is we have the bronze marker. I can bring it over to the new, but I'm going to keep it at the bronze marker. And as you see here on the front end, it's going to pull those images. So that's really it. You can see it's very, very straightforward and simple, and that's kind of the nice part about this feature in this plugin. However, let's just go back real quick. And there's a few things that we can do here within the gallery we want to choose. You can do this basic thumbnails, which is what we see here. Or you can also change it into like a basic slideshow, which will then change it into more of, like a slider. Some of the other displays here that you can do. Some of these you do need a pro version. However, if you don't have that, don't worry. We're just doing the basic tutorial now. I can always upload more images and manage my galleries. So now we'll go back here because I want to show you from the actual plugin. So that's it. That's all been added. It's also got a little title above it. So let's go back just real quick to the plugin now that you've seen how you set it up for the page to show on the front end. And I just want to go over here to manage galleries, which is the third tab down. And you can see here's all of our galleries and all of our images. So the bronze marker is the new right here is the one I've created. And this just basically lists our galleries that we've created along with how many images are in the gallery. And yeah, that's basically it. So I can go in and click the gallery. And then again, you'll see all this information. You can add some metadata and descriptions and title it up and stuff if you're, more into SEO and some of those type features. But in this case, basically, those are the galleries. You can see and manage them right here. Manage albums is just going to be multiple galleries. So I can create, bring, say, the whole series of these I want in one album. I can create an album and bring those over. I'm not going to go too much into albums because that's not really the functionality. We need to get our site looking like this, like we have. And then the manage tags is tags. I'm sure you're familiar. It's basically just information so you can search and find stuff easier. You can also display them on the front end if you need. I don't have any created. It's not super necessary. However, it is a feature that's available. And then here is just the settings. So any kind of display you might want to change, different sizes, the images that you want to display. There's a lot of different features. You might want to go through these. So this is the thumbnails, slideshows, autoplay. Do you want to autoplay? Pause on hover. It has a lot of really cool stuff built into the plugin that you can navigate right here without having to code all this stuff up yourself. And then I'll go real quick to the other options and show you again. It's just basically more, do you want to do more of the core management of the plugin. So guys, that's really it. NextGEN Gallarie, it's a really cool open source, one of the most popular plugins being used right now with the WordPress CMS. I would highly recommend if you're trying to work with galleries, this is a really good plugin to use because it does have so much customization. It is open source and free, and it really is a powerful plugin for image display and image gallery information. So if you have any questions or want to have us work with your site or help you install it, no problem. That's what we're here for. Also, if you could leave a like and a subscribe, that stuff really helps us as we grow our channel and our website. So we'll catch you guys in the next video. Enjoy NextGEN Gallarie. Peace.